Why did the chicken cross the road? To be awesome, of course. Welcome to Chicken Walk. Chicken Walk is a road crossing adventure, the ultimate chicken-themed mobile and VR game where you are the chicken. Your mission? Get to the other side. This road isn't just any road. This is a never-ending stream of honking cars, speeding trucks, and chaos. Each level is dynamically populated with growing trees, flowers, and even entire mountains. Magical XP eggs pop up out of nowhere. The clocks give you more time. Surprises all around.
Yay!
As the game progresses, the roads get busier, the obstacles crazier, and the stakes extraordinary. Collect XP as you dodge danger. Oh, and if solo crossing gets too intense, team up with other players. Together, you can slow traffic, unlock secret shortcuts, and even build bridges to cross the chaos in style. Yes, this game is super social.
Come here, do this.
You see this collab zone? This is your clue that collaboration will get you farther in this game. You need at least 2 players to activate the surprise. Collaboration also gets you special collab points, which you can track on this collab leaderboard. Speaking of leaderboards, if you are a competitive type, you will find several ways to climb the charts. You can become the person with most XP. You can be the one who completed the most levels. Or you can be the one who spent the most time in the game.
Yay! Woo, mine.
Mobile players will have a lot of fun seeing themselves as a pixelated chick instead of the regular avatar. To make the gameplay more dynamic, the camera distance changes from level to level. The mobile UI clearly shows all important info like number of lives left, time, and XP. VR players experience the game from a first-person view, designed specifically for Quest headsets. Instead of an on-screen mobile UI, they have a streamlined and easy-to-use heads-up display. Whether you're playing on your phone or your Quest headset, Chicken Walk is a crossing adventure that is packed with action, strategy, and a whole lot of laughs. So what are you waiting for? Put your feathers to the test and see if you've got what it takes to be the ultimate road crossing champion. This chicken doesn't just cross the road, it owns it.